The end of 2022 marks 2 years for me refinishing furniture on YouTube. So I just wanted to take a moment to thank all of you for supporting my channel and leaving me such lovely comments. I really do appreciate you being here. I put together a video of all of the before and afters for this year. I hope you enjoy it. Happy New Year, and I will see you in 2023. Hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone, hey everyone. It's Melanie of Art Studio 320, and this week's project is 2 end tables, a nightstand, giant armoire, a sofa table, dresser. It has 9 drawers, my childhood desk, an antique, an entertainment center, another antique, a little end table, 3 chairs. This has been done before. 6-drawer dresser. It's a buffet. This dresser, a side table of sorts. I guess we'll have to see how this goes. So stick around and see how you can do it too.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night, and days without eating 'cause it ain't enough for 2. And it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Don't feel the cold, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping, 'cause you fear the night. And days without eating, 'cause it ain't enough for two, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you.
Well, friends, that's all I have for you. Wow, this was a challenging week. I think we learned a few things together. I am so thrilled that this is finished. It's not at all what I thought it was going to be. This went way better than I thought it was going to go. Live and learn. That's what these videos are all about. We learn together. I show you what I'm doing, and when I make a mistake, I let you know so that we can both learn from it. But I think the results were worth it. I think it was successful. I'm very, very happy with the way this turned out. I like it. I hope you like it. I hope you were inspired by this video. The beauty of refinishing furniture is you're always learning. I want to say that when you are working on a commissioned piece, you have to look at it through a different lens. You have to look through it through the customer's lens, and you have to think about the fact that whatever you do, it's for the customer, not for you. Don't worry about making a mistake. You know, that's how you discover new things, by just getting in there, diving in, and trying something new. You know, it never ceases to amaze me that you can refinish a piece of furniture over and over again. You can take it off the side of the road, or you can grab it out of your own house and you can make it into something completely new. And I think that this piece of furniture is going to be much more sellable than what we started with. You deserve to see the whole process and understand how to do it. Yes, the end is fun because you get to see the results, but the process is great too, and the more you do it, the better you will get. Good luck on your next piece. Thank you for being here, and I will see you next time.
You can do it.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. You can find more videos on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe.